Hey guys, welcome to In the Sauce Media. If this is your first time dropping in, hit that subscribe button and that bell so you'll be notified when I drop new videos just like this. So today guys, we have jerk turkey necks on the platter. These are fresh turkey necks and not smoked turkey necks. And we'll start by using some very simple ingredients. Our main ingredients, which is the jerk seasoning sauce, and we have some Scotch bonnet pepper sauce. And for our dry rub, we'll have some all-purpose seasonings, some onion powder, and some garlic powder. Absolutely no salt added to this. Okay, guys, first thing before we start cleaning our turkey necks, we're gonna start trimming some of this excess skin and fat that's just hanging loose from the necks. We'll start the rinsing process with some regular table salt, about a tablespoon, and some apple cider vinegar, about a third of a cup, some cold water, we have our turkey necks washed and cleaned, trimmed. Now our next step is we're gonna apply our seasonings. All right guys, if you're like me and you enjoy the flavor of jerk on chicken, you don't know what you're missing if you haven't tried it on turkey necks. We'll start with 2 tablespoons of jerk seasonings and 1 tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning, about a teaspoon of onion powder, and a teaspoon of garlic powder. And last but not least, a little bit of Scotch bonnet pepper sauce. Get everything nice and messy. Our next step is we're gonna fry these wings up. Okay, now we'll start frying our turkey necks in just a little bit of oil at medium heat. Now we have all our turkey necks seared. Next step, we're gonna add 2 cups of water. We're gonna put the lid on and let it cook for about an hour, 15 minutes. We're gonna let this next process finish off at medium heat. Then we're gonna come back and check on our turkey necks in about an hour and 15 minutes. Let's check it out and see what it looks like. If your water starts to dry up, just add about another cup of water. As you can see, my water has reduced by more than half. Now I'm going to take our necks and place it in a Pyrex. Preheat my oven to 375 degrees. Okay guys, now we're done to the final phase. We're going to cook this at 375 for about 30 minutes with aluminum foil on top. All right, I'm gonna take this out and remove the aluminum foil to let it finish cook. Now I'm gonna just turn these turkey necks around so this other side get nice and cooked. I'm just gonna smother some of our turkey gravy and it's gonna be ready to eat. Okay, Jackie's gonna give us our first taste test and let us know what she thinks.
Okay. That looks tender. Oh, they pull up on the bones too.
All right, that looks very tender.
It's hot, but it is tender.
Okay, good, as long as it's not too hot.
It's juicy and tender. You can really see it.